DGNX was trending at some point. This is Tuesday, the 9th of December 2025. It is up 17.81%. Volume in this session above average. Volatility is expected to moderate somewhat in the coming days. Option traders are not really worrying market makers, going by the volume we have there. Okay, let's get a sentiment behind why it's currently trending.
DGNX is gaining serious traction across trading communities following its latest earnings update and the headline grabbing announcement of a memorandum of understanding to acquire Plan A Earth, an AI driven sustainability platform already used by several major brands. Traders are interpreting the move as a strategic pivot that places DGNX squarely at the intersection of AI, ESG, and enterprise tech, which is adding a whole new layer of speculative interest. At the same time, the technical setup around the stock is creating its own wave of chatter. Many in the community are pointing to what they describe as a locked float environment, with limited shares actually circulating and a high cost to borrow, which are classic ingredients for a potential short squeeze. This has fueled expectations of a sharp upside move, especially if incoming acquisition developments or follow through from earnings tighten sentiment further. Beyond the squeeze thesis, traders are also discussing how the Plan A Earth acquisition could help DGNX tap into fast growing markets tied to climate reporting, sustainability analytics, and automation. With AI powered ESG tools becoming increasingly important for global corporations, some believe the deal could significantly raise DGNX's profile. All of these threads, earnings momentum, AI exposure, ESG appeal, and an eye catching short setup, are combining to keep DGNX front and center on watch lists and in community speculation.
In terms of short interest, I don't think it has. I've not seen anything like that. It hasn't. It doesn't have any meaningful short interest. Okay, it hasn't been around that long. Underlying trend, regardless, is bullish. Okay, it's just beginning to form and sloping slightly bullishly upwards. So previous projections or current projections are not saying anything to the upside. They are severely negative. It just got a bounce today. It has been contracting expansion that got rejected on the 3rd of November. Okay, but regardless, before then, as of Monday, the 1st of December, projections were saying to the upside 22.07, 26.55, 29.31. Okay, let's see whether there's enough data for extrapolations on its 4-hour chart. Yes, we do. Okay, so in spite of this strength it picked up today, the extrapolation is such that lower prices may resume the downtrend up till the 11th, Thursday the 11th, and from Friday you might attempt to bounce. Okay, the 40 period moving average is also declining to curtail any possible advance, any attempt to bounce, and it may, based on this extrapolation, it may succeed. It may succeed. They're just extrapolations, no guarantee that will be the case. But if it defies that this extrapolation, yeah, it may and continues to test previous highs. A pivotal projection here is let's see 11.68. If it closes above that, then it may attempt to retest maybe the highs it printed in late November or thereabouts. But we'll see if that is going to be the case. Momentum is expected to pick up from it's actually expected to remain volatile. Okay, um, from now on. Okay, but all in all, the trend is to the upside. The trend of the momentum is to the upside, at least going all the way towards the 16th of December. Yeah. Let's see now. Intraday high, nothing like that on the chart here. Nothing like that. Not really. No intraday high. Intraday low 7.67 printed yesterday. Yeah. Okay. but it was trending some at some point, not strongly, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so see what you make of DGNX. Thank you very much for watching this video.